Welcome back to your home garage, and today we're going to change the gas struts on this hood. So a couple of weeks ago when I was detailing the engine on this C6, we noticed that the hood wasn't staying up as safely as it should have been, and there was a small leak as well in the gas strut. So we've got them ordered in, and this only takes a few minutes to change and replace each one. So let's go ahead and get set up, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So because we're going to be taking off the gas struts and they're the only thing that actually holds up the hood, let's go ahead and get our safety bar set up. So now that our safety bar is in place and it's putting a little bit more tension on the hood, it's actually taking the pressure off of the gas struts themselves, which is going to make for an easy replacement. Let's go ahead and take a closer look and see exactly what we're going to be doing. So right here is a little pry area. This is the front of the gas strut. We're going to actually just pry that open just a little bit. We're not taking the clip off. That's going to let the ball bearing loose in there, and we'll be able to take it off. And you'll notice that the other end is built exactly the same way. There's just that little bit of a clip right there. We'll just pry that out just ever so slightly. That'll let the ball bearing loose, and we'll have this gas strut out in about a minute or two. So here's the original gas strut. One of the things you'll be able to notice is with a little bit of effort, I shouldn't be able to compress that. So here's the new gas strut, and you'll see, unlike the old one, I'm not able to compress this whatsoever. So before I install it, I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of grease inside each one of these nipples, and that's going to help in the future case with corrosion, in case we ever need to get them off again, which I doubt we will. But just in case, it's always a good safety measure to do that. So now that we've got some lubrication inside each one of the housings, just to make sure that we don't get any corrosion, I've also taken the liberty of putting some lubrication on the outside of the housing here as well. Now just take note that each one of these ends, here's the front, here's the back, they are different sizes as well. So you want to install the shock in this manner here, so the arm ends up extending. I'm going to go ahead and install the back first because that's going to give me the play that I need just in case to slip on the front. So this should only take a minute. Okay, that probably only took a couple of seconds, but as you can tell, it's already on. Let's go. So now that I've got both gas struts replaced, I'm just going to go ahead and take off my safety bar and we'll test the hood. So there you go. That's how easy it is to change the gas struts on the hood of your C6 Corvette. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Of course, share it with your friends and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, until next time.